The Origins of Time, Investigating the Nature of Temporal Existence. Title: The Origins of Time, Investigating the Nature of Temporal Existence. Introduction. Time is perhaps one of the most puzzling and fundamental aspects of our existence. It governs our daily lives, shapes our memories, and influences the course of history. Yet, despite its significance, the true nature and origins of time remain elusive. In this article, we delve into the fascinating world of temporal existence, exploring various theories and perspectives that shed light on the enigma of time. The philosophical perceptions of time. 1. The presentist view. The presentist view suggests that only the present moment exists, while the past is gone and the future has yet to be. According to this perspective, time's flow is real and irreducible, making the present moment uniquely privileged. 2. The eternalist view. Eternalism posits that the past, present, and future all equally exist. From this standpoint, time is a block where all moments are equally real. This view challenges our intuitive perception of time flowing in a linear fashion. 3. The growing block universe. This view combines elements of both presentism and eternalism. It suggests that the past and present are real, while the future does not yet have existence. As time progresses, the block of reality grows, encompassing new moments. Scientific approaches to time. 1. The Newtonian paradigm. Before the advent of modern physics, time was largely considered an absolute and universal concept. Newtonian physics treated time as a separate dimension, independent of physical objects. This classical framework laid the foundations for our understanding of motion and dynamics. 2. The theory of relativity. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of time with his theory of relativity. According to this theory, time is not absolute but rather relative to the observer's motion and gravitational field. The distinction between time and space blurs, creating a four-dimensional spacetime fabric. The arrow of time. 1. Entropy and the second law of thermodynamics. The arrow of time is closely associated with the concept of entropy. Entropy, often referred to as the measure of disorder, indicates the direction in which events unfold. The second law of thermodynamics states that entropy tends to increase over time, leading to a distinction between past and future. 2. Time's irreversibility. Numerous phenomena in our everyday experience demonstrate the irreversibility of time. For example, we cannot unbreak a glass or uncook an egg. This inherent irreversibility points towards the existence of a preferred direction of time. The quest for a unified theory. Scientists strive to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity to obtain a comprehensive theory known as the theory of everything, TOE. Such a theory would offer valuable insights into the nature of time, potentially reconciling Einstein's spacetime fabric with the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. B. Multiverse and alternative time. 1. Multiverse theories. Some physicists propose the existence of a multiverse, where countless universes coexist. Each universe within the multiverse may have its distinct arrow of time, providing alternative narratives and possibilities for temporal existence. 2. Time loops and time travel. The concept of time loops and time travel has captivated both scientists and science fiction enthusiasts. Various theoretical frameworks, such as wormholes or the manipulation of spacetime curvature, raise intriguing possibilities for exploring past events or even experiencing the future. Further investigations into the nature of time have led to the exploration of additional theories and perspectives that shed light on its enigmatic origins. These theories derive from both philosophical and scientific approaches, providing diverse insights into the concept of temporal existence. In terms of philosophical perceptions of time, the presentist view argues that only the present moment exists, while the past has already occurred and the future is yet to come. According to this view, time flows in a real and irreducible manner, making the present moment uniquely significant. Conversely, the eternalist view proposes that the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously, challenging our intuitive understanding of time as a linear progression. This perspective suggests that time is like a block, with all moments equally real. A synthesis of these perspectives is found in the growing block universe theory, which posits that the past and the present are real, while the future does not yet have existence. As time progresses, the block of reality expands to incorporate new moments. Scientific approaches to understanding time have also contributed to our comprehension of temporal existence. The Newtonian paradigm, predating modern physics, treated time as an absolute and universal concept, separate from physical objects. Newtonian physics provided the foundation for our understanding of motion and dynamics. However, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time. According to this theory, time is not absolute but is relative to an observer's motion and gravitational field.